Good morning, everybody. Hello, welcome to class. Want to get us started today? I want you to think of an ad or commercial that you thought was not a positive or maybe had a negative message. Did it make you want to buy the product? Did you think maybe it could have been done in a different way? Our objective today, we're going to identify some negative marketing advertisements and their impact on society. Why are we doing this? To allow you to see your responsibility in marketing and purchasing, and to show you the social responsibility of marketing and business. Negative ads have been around for a very long time, and it's important to identify them and consider ways that they should be changed and not promote those products. So we are going to look at those today. So negative ads, what your assignment to do today is, we've talked about social responsibility in advertisement. We've talked about the benefits of marketing. I want you to look up 2 negative effects of marketing. I want you to find 2 negative ads, and not ads promoting things that are wrong, but 2 ads that maybe could be seen as negative, okay? This could be a poor use of models, making people think bad about themselves, companies marketing to children or underprivileged groups. Think about some of those things. So research that a little bit and then find 2. Here's my example. This is a little bit older, but this is a Ralph Lauren ad that ran in a magazine. This is I will hope photoshopped, because she is clearly like super skinny. And instead of using super skinny models, I believe they should use models that represent women of all sizes to promote a healthy living for people. Instead of making women feel like they should look like this to fit into their clothes, maybe use a healthier model to make women feel beautiful in their own skin. So that is what we are looking for. So this would be an example of what you would do today. So you will copy your ads onto a Word document or PowerPoint, and then write a brief paragraph, so maybe 3 or 4 sentences, telling me how these ads could be turned into a positive. How could they change them, okay? And to make them more of an improvement, right? Once you're done, you'll submit that to Schoology. If you have any questions between now and then, just shoot me a message, let me know. I'd be happy to talk with you, and I hope you guys are having a great day.